Hi, Steve here with the trailer build. Thanks for coming back for another look. The trailer's finished now, painting's obviously done, all the chains fitted, the handbrake cables, the wiring, all the winch setup is all completed, rod works and runs in and out and does the things it's got to do. Just got to go away and be registered. That's the next part, which is not a big deal. And then we'll be on to the next project. But I hope you're all staying well with this current situation, and I'm pretty lucky. I'm working from home, and my workshop is here at home, so it's really good. So stay safe, and here's the trailer. Well, here we have the trailer painted and finished. So I'll give you a good walk around of it now. Handbrake all set up, handbrake cable installed and so on. My breakaway chains, using the hammer locks system to fit them. Swing up jockey wheel, spare tyre. My ramp's installed and fitted and painted. The ramp holding bars, they've been gold pacificated. My little luggage areas, which are going to hold fuel jerry cans. The eye bolts there are to hold the ratchet straps, which will hold the jerry cans down. I'll cut 4 ratchet straps down to size so that they're just a neat fit. And up to the winch box, which I'll open up in a minute. Tie down points. I have a few of those, as well as the side tie down point, plus these points here, which will be the mount points for a tyre rack that I will build in the future. And that is the extra switch for the winch. So here's the winch box you saw me make before. Battery, winch, brake unit, and in under here there's a control unit for the winch itself. I turn it on here. Then I've got 2 options. I've got a remote here. Turn that on, press the button. And I also have the option on the side here. So I've just brought myself a little forklift to help with the day-to-day work at here, and this is unloading it off the truck. So here we have my new little walk behind fork truck, so I can use it for lifting sheets and steel and trailers and car bits and so on, and there she is. So now the trailer build's done, we've got to get back on to this, the whole purpose of building the trailer. So I'll drag it out into the sunshine the next few days. I think I'll give it a wash because it's fairly covered in all the rubbish that you get in a workshop. So there it is. So that's how she's looking right at the moment, and exactly as the last video on this on the rally car build was. So just a little reminder of what it does actually look like, and we will be cleaning it up and starting the process.